Do it. Hit. Goddamn, bro. Crazy, bro. Which one?
How the fuck did they get to that side that fast, bro?
Easy one. Work on it, work on it. Yo. Contact. Shit, triangle. Hey, careful. Two in the middle. You good? Hey, bad angle ball too. Oh, shit angle. Hit. You got you. Careful. Ready? Okay. Contact right. Got one. Got one. Yeah. That's a good guy on the right. Yeah, this guy on the right. Careful, short way. Good.
One in there. Left side, left side.
Left side. Yep. Also one guy on the right. Careful on the right, careful on the right. Watch on the right. Careful. Watch up, watch up. Go. In, green. You good, Remy? Side. Careful. Deep right. Corner right. Deep right. Deep right.
I can pass it.
Wait. In. Oh, he got fucked up. He got fucking destroyed.
He's down.
Ready? Deep right. Nice. Ready? Cross. Hit. Good kill. Oh, you get hit. Got one. He's done. Careful. Watch out. Careful. Move. Fucking tough, bro. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hit. Em ơi, tại hit. Hit pace. 30 seconds. Remy, you good? Oh shit, Remy's tired. Walk away, walk away, walk away. You good, buddy? Find it. Sorry.
I just hit her own.
Oh, reload it, reload it. Cover me. What the hell? What? Back in, back in.
30 seconds.
Go on. That's not working. Yeah, damn bro. They're fucking damn good. Holy shit.